everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how to make pizza in two ways, the oven method and the stove method. So if you're interested, please keep watching because you're going to learn something new. So you are going to first of all start by making the pizza sauce. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. You can as well get the store-bought one if time is not on your side. Get some fresh tomato and cut them slightly like so. In the boiling water, drop in the tomatoes to simmer for about 3 minutes. Turn off the heat, bring it out and peel off the skin. Get a good blender, put in the tomatoes, add in some rosemary, basil and a finger-sized ginger and blend smoothly to form a thick paste. Do not add water. Heat up some small quantity of olive oil in a pan, pour in the tomato puree, stir and allow to fry for about 2 minutes. Add in some salt, thyme, seasoning and tomato paste. Allow to fry for another 5 minutes. So now guys, the pizza sauce is ready. You are going to set that aside. Now let's make the pizza dough. We are going to start with the oven method. Get a clean bowl, add in the flour, yeast, sugar and salt. Mix that together. Add in olive oil and some warm water. Use your clean hands to mix and then transfer onto a work surface and knead until very smooth. Get a bowl, grease with oil and put in the dough. Cover it up with a cling film or kitchen towel and place in a warm place for 40 to 50 minutes for it to double in size. This is after 50 minutes. As you can see, it has doubled in size. Give it a slight punch to release some of the air. Place it on your work surface. Remember, this measurement is for 2 pizzas. So you are going to divide it into 2 and then use your rolling pin to flatten it one after the other. After flattening it into a round shape, use the fork to pierce all through for easy circulation of the heat in the oven so it could cook very well. Spread some pizza sauce on the dough. Spread it all around. Add some mozzarella cheese, green and red bell peppers, sausage slices, more cheese, and then preheat the oven at 200 degrees centigrade and bake for 10 minutes. Now you are going to roll out the other half. Grease your pan with some oil. Place the dough inside the pan like so. Pierce through with a fork. Spread the pizza sauce, add in your vegetables. On this one, I'm using a mixture of tuna-fish, olive and sweet corn, combined with red and green bell pepper. Feel free to combine any toppings of your choice. Cover and allow to cook on a low heat so it doesn't start burning quickly. Here we go guys, the oven pizza is done and ready to be eaten. Slice and add some fresh parsley, that is optional, and enjoy. Let's check the one on the stove. It is also ready guys. I will just go ahead now to transfer it on the pizza tray, slice and enjoy it nicely. I hope you like what you are seeing and you are going to try it out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let's know your thoughts in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification for more. Thanks everyone for watching today's video. Hoping to see more of you again in my next one. Bye.